you doing? I'm an airplane. Yow, yow. Mayday, mayday. This is Cadet Chase. We are reaching a landing. Yow. Stop making those airplane noises. It's so annoying. But I'm an airplane today. Uh-oh. Something's wrong with the energy fuel. We're going to need new fuel. We're going down. No. Yeah. That's not funny. You're so annoying. Now leave me alone. But I want to play with you. We can be airplanes together. All you have to do is take your voice and go, yow. No. That is annoying for Chase to do. Let me know in the comment section if he's annoying. Annoying? Hi everyone, it's your pal Chase. I'm not annoying. I just love to play. What's with all that yow, 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 yow noise? Chase is so annoying. He keeps making these airplane noises and running around being silly. Well, that's a boy for you, making them airplane noises. But it's annoying. Aw, Chase was just playing. That's just his way to play. That's just how boys are. They just love playing like that. They love making their little noises with their mouths, making their little car noises or their airplane noises. Boys will be boys. But it's annoying. Boys are annoying. I am not annoying. You're annoying. How am I annoying? Because you're always sassy. You're a poo-poo head. You're always complaining. You're no fun. All you ever do is just sit there and complain and complain and complain when everyone else is having fun. You always want to bring everyone down with you. No, I don't. I don't want to bring anyone down. You just go yow, yow, yow in my face. Aw. Well, Chase, Pipp doesn't want to play, okay? So, I think you should probably leave her alone. Maybe you could try playing with Tracker or something. Okay, I guess I'll just go play with Tracker. Yes, go play with Tracker and leave me alone. I'm sorry if I offended you. It's okay. You just go have fun. Yay! Yow! Well, Pipp, let me tell you something. Boys, they just love making their airplane noises, don't they? I know, boys will be boys. That's right. But Chase is going to go play with Tracker now. So, yeah. Well, everyone, Chase is going to play with Tracker now. So, be sure to push like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. And, yeah, he's going to leave Pipp alone. Hopefully. That's right. I'm going to leave her alone now. I'm going to go play with Tracker. Tracker! He just wanted you guys to see him one last time. So, yeah. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.